Welcome everyone to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to listen to today's presentation. In this video, we will explore a very important topic in the world of cryptocurrency investment. How to identify when capital is flowing into altcoins, how to know when the altcoin season starts and ends, and the key points to avoid risks when investing. I hope that through this presentation, you will gain a clearer perspective, enabling you to make wiser, safer, and more effective investment decisions in this ever-volatile market. What is capital flow? Why is it important to track capital flow in the altcoin market? In any financial market, capital flow is the most crucial factor that determines whether an asset will rise or fall in value. Capital flow reflects investor interest and behavior. When large amounts of money flow into a group of assets, the value of those assets tends to increase. In the crypto market, besides Bitcoin, which is the leading coin, we also have a wide range of other digital currencies known as altcoins. Altcoins are short for alternative coins, meaning coins other than Bitcoin. Being able to identify when capital starts shifting from Bitcoin to altcoins, or when it starts exiting the altcoin space, is the key to identifying the altcoin season, the period when altcoins experience significant price surges. 2. Signs that the altcoin season is approaching. To recognize the arrival of altcoin season, we need to observe several factors, including technical indicators, market trends, and investor sentiment. Here are some common signs. 1. Bitcoin dominance drops significantly. Bitcoin dominance indicates the market capitalization of Bitcoin in relation to the entire crypto market. When this index drops significantly, it means investors are moving funds from Bitcoin into altcoins. For example, if BTC dominance drops from 60% to 45%, that's a clear signal that investors are shifting their attention to altcoins, especially if the overall market cap is increasing while BTC dominance is falling. It strongly indicates the start of an altcoin season. 2. Large cap altcoins like Ethereum, BNB, Solana, etc. begin to surge. When the altcoin season starts, there is usually a strong price rally in top-tier altcoins. Ethereum often leads the altcoin season due to its massive ecosystem and being the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. If ETH starts outperforming BTC consistently, and this trend spreads to other altcoins, that's a solid sign that altcoin season has begun. 3. Altcoin market cap increases steadily and capital spreads across the board. Not just the large caps, but mid-cap and small-cap coins, including meme coins, begin to rise. This suggests that investors are becoming more risk-tolerant and are willing to speculate on highly volatile assets. 4. Growing hype on social media and community focus on altcoins. When you start seeing a flood of content about altcoins on social media, YouTube, Twitter, and influencers begin predicting 10x or 100x returns, this is often a sign that altcoin season is heating up. 3. How does the altcoin season end? Identifying when altcoin season is ending is just as important, because failing to exit in time can cause you to lose most of your profits or even your initial investment. Here are some key signs that the altcoin season is winding down. 1. Bitcoin dominance starts rising sharply. As the market begins correcting, investors tend to pull money out of altcoins and return to Bitcoin as a safe haven. This will cause BTC dominance to increase again. If BTC dominance jumps from 40% back up to 50% in a short time, it's a strong indicator that money is flowing out of altcoins. 2. Altcoins lose momentum, trading volume drops, and major sell-offs occur. As altcoin season ends, smaller coins start correcting heavily, sometimes dropping 20 to 30% within days. Trading volume also drops, indicating capital is leaving the market. 3. Bitcoin rises, but altcoins lag behind. This is a common phenomenon toward the end of altcoin season. Bitcoin continues to rise, but altcoins either stay flat or decline, showing that investor focus has returned to BTC. 4. FOMO disappears, and market sentiment turns cautious or fearful. When discussions about altcoins fade on social media, and coins that were once hyped are now quiet, with community members talking about selling off or taking profits, it's a clear signal that the altcoin season has passed. I4. Important notes to avoid risks when investing in altcoins. Investing in altcoins can bring enormous profits during bull runs, but it also comes with high risks if you don't have a proper strategy. Here are some essential tips. 1. Don't go all in on altcoins. Always allocate your capital wisely. Only invest a portion in altcoins. Keep the rest in USDT or Bitcoin to ensure safety. Going all in is a strategy that has caused many investors to lose everything. 2. Have a clear profit-taking strategy. Before investing, set specific profit targets. For example, take out 30% of capital when profits reach 50%, or withdraw the entire principal when you've doubled your money. Without a profit-taking plan, it's easy to fall into the trap of greed and lose all gains. 3. Always monitor Bitcoin dominance and total market capitalization. These two indicators are key to understanding where the money is flowing. If the altcoin market cap drops quickly and BTC dominance rises sharply, consider exiting or taking profits. 4. Avoid emotional investing or following hype. Base your decisions on analysis and real data. Don't buy just because of hype or influencer promotion. Many coins are pumped just for insiders to exit, leaving latecomers with losses. 5. Don't FOMO at the top or panic sell at the bottom. These two emotional reactions are the main reasons investors lose money, chasing coins at high prices or panic selling when prices crash. Stay calm and wait for strategic entry points. 6. Learn basic technical analysis. Even if you're not a pro, you should learn key indicators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages. Combining technical analysis with tracking capital flow will help increase your success rate. V. Conclusion. The cryptocurrency market offers the potential for large profits, but also carries significant risks, especially with altcoins, where 10x or 20x gains are possible, but so are steep losses if you fail to manage risk and emotions. Understanding how to identify capital flows, recognize when the altcoin season begins and ends, and practicing sound investment discipline will help you make smarter decisions and succeed in this space. Thank you so much for listening to today's presentation. If you found this content useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, support my work, and stay updated with new analysis videos on the crypto market. Wishing you safe investing, smart decisions, and financial freedom in the near future.